my name is Marie-Pierre from Vanpackers. We're based in Montreal, and we do no-build conversion kit for small vehicles such as minivan and SUVs and hatchback vehicles. So now we have our brand new kitchen box, like for SUVs. So you got like 3 different parts: the kitchen box, the pantry, and the bed. Everything is really modular, so you can buy different parts for your different needs. So here you got the kitchen with the stove and storage for all your stuff. You can use this as a working board, and you can install a sink wherever you need. So let's say that we're gonna put it here like this, so you can just take those parts like this. You put your sink here, and then you take your water bottle just on top of this, and you can cook and do your stuff. You got a pantry part here with slides and a cooler accessible from the top. You really can like adjust the height of the kitchen, the length of the bed, the width of the bed as well. It's really like our most modular conversion kit. For the bed part is really like mount of on crossbar, so it's like a big puzzle. In 5 minutes it's all installed in the car. Right now you have like the single bed position, a bit messy, but you get the idea. And you can add other board on the other side to have a double bed. And you got this table here, which is the part of the bed. So when you're traveling in a small car, you want to be really efficient of the space that you use. So we just figured that let's use some part of the bed to have an exterior table. So that is really convenient. So if you want more information, you can just check out our social network and our website that will be launched around November. So stay tuned, vanpackers.com, and Vanpackers Conversion on Instagram and Facebook.